welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here today. I'm bringing you this review today for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails, and you'll get a code to save 30%. You can also email support@pinkypromise.com if you ever have any wig-related questions. So today we're going to look at this very beautiful popular style by Raquel Welch. This is Upstage, and the color on this one is RL19 SS, which is Shaded Biscuit. More on her in just a minute. All right, let's get started talking about Upstage by Raquel Welch. So very, very pretty wig, and I see what all the hype is about with Shaded Biscuit. This is the first time I've ever tried this shade, and it is a gorgeous, beautiful blonde, and I can see where it complements a lot of skin tones, and I understand why it's so popular. It is very, very pretty, beautiful, beautiful color. Okay, so I will do a turn all the way around, and then we'll start talking about all of her specifications and stuff. So here she is from the front. Very pretty style. As far as the hair movement and everything, I can see where Untold Story is very, very similar to this one. I think Upstage is longer, but they have the same type layering, the same type movement. So definitely reminds me a lot of Untold Story, which I just reviewed not too long ago. So very, very pretty, just lots of bounce. And, you know, these ends here are curled up quite a bit right out of the box, but you could take your, your flat iron and straighten them out a little bit and, calm them down a little bit if that's not your thing. But I think they're cute. I think they're pretty. You just kind of fluff them up and play with them, and the hair just has really, really nice movement and texture and stuff. So very pretty. Okay, let me turn around then. Here we are at the front. Here's my left, the back, my right, and back to the front. So I was really kind of flipping her up more. And that's something that I noticed whenever I reviewed Untold Stories. She was kind of flipping in some areas and curling under in others. And so like I said, that just lends itself to this style just having a lot of really fun, bouncy movement to it. So she's really, really pretty. As far as the fit on my head, so this particular wig is so popular, it comes in 3 different sizes. So this is the average size. The average is fitting my petite head fine ear to ear, but I did have to bring it in the circumference. So I think that the petite would probably be the best size for me with my petite measurements. I'm 21 inches in circumference, 11 ear to ear, and 13 forehead to nape. And this isn't huge, but there's definitely extra room. This is definitely the average. And then if you have a larger head size, it comes in a large. So it's nice. Petite, average, and large should be something to please every head size, which is really, really nice. Okay, so that being said, we can look at her cap construction here a little bit. So lace front looks really, really nice. Just looks very natural. What can I say? Raquel Welch lace fronts are amazing. So, these are the true to life heat friendly fibers. This one is fully hand tied with a full mono top. So it's parted on the left because that's where it was parted coming out of the box, but you can middle part it, you can right side part it, and you're gonna get that appearance of scalp no matter where you part it. So that's a really, really nice feature. So ear tabs, I have great coverage. Like I said, ear to ear, this is fitting me really, really nicely. So maybe I'm between the average and the petite. I don't know. I'd have to try the petite, to know for sure, of course, but really, really nice. And it doesn't feel huge on me. I did have to bring it in the circumference and, so it's just slightly big on me. So really, really pretty. Okay, so measurement wise for Upstage, we have 7 inches here in the front. I have seen her with a bang added, and that is easy to do, particularly with these heat-friendly fibers, because it's very easy to trim the bang and, get it straightened out with a flat iron or whatever. So she has a 9-inch measurement here from the crown. She has a 9-inch measurement here in the back. So just layering, as you can tell. She has 9-inch on the sides, and then she has a 6-inch nape. So just enough back there, to have good coverage. She is going, if I was in winter clothing, she would rub the collar, But in summer clothing with my 4-inch neck, she is not rubbing, you know, my clothing at all. But if I was to straighten her out a little bit, you know, that length would come out a little bit. But this is a very nice, manageable length. Just gives you enough length to play around with styling a little bit without it being too long. Okay, I will pop her off so we can look at her interior cap construction. Okay, so there's that part. Sheer lace front. Raquel Welch makes a very luxurious, comfortable, hand-tied cap. So you have this extended sheer lace front. Very, very nice. Extends down onto the ear tabs. That's going to give you, you know, most of your face is going to have coverage there for off-the-face styling. Very nice. She has this full mono top. So as I mentioned, you can part that anywhere you like. She has the soft velvety felt ear tabs with a nice piece of metal. So you're able to get good coverage around the face. She's hand-tied all through the cap with the exception of a bit of closed wefting here at the back, which is commonly what you see with their hand-tied caps. Still has the appearance, if you separate the hair, you can see my thumb there underneath, you're still gonna have a scalp appearance. That just kind of helps the hair lay nicely on the head in the wig. You have Velcro adjusters, and you can see I brought them in just slightly. You have a soft felt extended nape. These hand-tied caps, you're not going to find as much stretch as a wefted cap. So there's going to be stretch in your circumference, but not so much, you know, in your cap. A little bit of stretch. This wefting down here allows for a bit of stretch, but don't expect a whole lot of stretch from these hand-tied caps. Okay, one more thing I want to add about the cap is that there's no permatease that I'm feeling anywhere. Typical of a hand-tied cap, there's not really anywhere for them to put that permatease, but the volume that you're seeing in the style is just strictly from the layering, from the cut. So, you know, you are able to get some volume, and with these true-to-life fibers, you have a very realistic looking hair fiber. So that being said, we can start talking about this pretty color. So this is RL19 SS, which is Shaded Biscuit. And as I said at the beginning, I see the hype over the color. Very, very pretty, very, very nice blonde. So I see why this is such a popular color for so many. And I like the fact that it's rooted, because that means for those of us who are natural brunettes, this is a blonde that will work. You know, my eyebrows look fine with the rooting and all that kind of stuff. So, okay, so description of Shaded Biscuit is a dark neutral blonde and a golden brown base with cool beige platinum highlights, heaviest along the top, and a medium brown root. So your rooting is not too dark. It's always going to look darker when we're inside. When we go outside, you'll see that it's not as dark. So it's a very, very nice looking root color. So anywhere you separate the hair, you're going to get that root color. You're going to see it around the face. Although they put the highlighted shade right around the face, you'll see it when you get down the ear tab here. So I can see that platinum and the dark blonde, and I guess a bit of that golden brown. It's kind of dark blonde, golden brown, you know, but you can see that variation in this bright lighting in those shades. Looks really pretty. Okay, so here we are in just overhead light in the room. So here I can see that golden brown that they're talking about that's in there, but it's heavily highlighted with that dark blonde and the platinum. So it's not like the color looks brunette to me at all. Definitely just looks like a combination of blondes. And then of course you have that rooting. glasses and styling and all that. So she's very easy to tuck behind the ears. And I actually think she looks really cute styled with her tucked behind the ears. The ear tabs are really, really nice. So, you know, that's one way that you could wear her. You could pull out a little bit of hair if you wanted to, you know, around the face, but she looks cute tucked. So I will tuck her completely though to show you the glasses. So, but glasses are great. I mean, this hand-tied cap fits my head really nicely. And so it's low density. Like I said, the volume that's in the piece is coming from the style itself, not from permatease. So, you know, it's very just natural density on the sides and everything. So easy to get your glasses up on your head. She looks cute with the headband. Got one stray hair there. But I did want to pull these out anyway, so looks cute. And then she looks really cute, pulled halfway, half up, half down. And I would just secure her, you know, with like a medium size claw clip. Got the wrong hand. I don't know if that looks, that may not look perfect because it's hard to do. Hard to do on camera, but looks really cute. And then she does have enough length for you to get her up in a little clip. But I think a lot of this is going to want to fall down. So this would be a style where you'd have more hair around the face, which actually looks very, very pretty. And then I would twist the hair because, you know, you can see you don't have a ton of length back there, but you do have a nice extended nape and everything. And then this flat clip that you can just get on Amazon. Works really nicely. Again, I don't know if that looks perfect because doing it on camera is not as easy as doing it in the mirror, but that's just a clip that's by Goody. So, you know, easy clip to find in the grocery store, Amazon, whatever. So anyway, she is a really, really pretty style and really fun to style. So really, really beautiful. Thank you, Pinky Promise, for sending this to review for you all today. There will be purchase information for this wig down below this video. Take care of yourselves. I thank you so much for watching. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.